Hi everyone, I'm Parvati and I'm from 3A and today we're in Mankulam and we've got a farm, a kind of farm. We have everything over here. You can see that. Everything is here, like cabbage. I got many vegetables like cabbage, carrot, everything's growing here. And it's a great place. It's very beautiful. You must try to go there. You must go there. It's a very natural place. And we got some tomatoes. It's great. And carrots. There's carrots and all. Everything. Then this is brinjal and many stuff. We got to taste it one time. We got mint leaves and pudina. It's called in Malayalam. So it's a great place. You gotta visit here. That's all. And bye bye today. That's all for today.